Now that you've learned the basics of DeFiChain's DEX, let's look into leveling up your investment skills. In this video, let's have a look at liquidity mining and staking on DeFiChain. With liquidity mining, you lend your assets to the decentralized exchange, or DEX, and receive DFI and commission fees in return. You help to build up a trading pool like Tesla DUSD and provide liquidity so others can swap their Tesla for DSD or vice versa. Let's have a look at how to put your tokens into liquidity mining. Open the DeFiChain wallet. Navigate to DEX. Here you'll see all the liquidity pools and also how much return you'll get when you invest in them. Select one and click on Add. In our example, we add Tesla and DUSD. If you're missing one token, you can just buy it on the DEX. Enter the number of tokens you'd like to invest. Confirm and wait for the blockchain to process your transaction. Navigate to Balances. Here you can see your liquidity tokens representing your investment. From now on, you'll receive your rewards every 30 seconds. Besides liquidity mining, you can also put your DFI into staking. Staking is about processing transactions and keeping the blockchain running. Imagine doing Bitcoin mining without heavy equipment and low electricity costs. This service is valuable, so you get rewards for participating. You can stake in a fully decentralized way by creating a masternode with 20,000 DFI or via staking providers like Cake DeFi or DFX. We'll have a look at staking on Cake DeFi. Let's start with Cake DeFi. Open the app, click on Bake, then on Staking. Scroll down to DFI and click on Stake. Select DFI and insert the amount of DFI you'd like to stake. Accept the terms of services and click on Stake. On Cake DeFi, you have the option to invest your rewards. In that case, make sure to toggle on the button Auto Compound on the staking page. If you'd like to stake on DFX, just open the app and click on Buy, Sell, and Staking. Scroll down and click on Staking. Staking on DFX is executed in batches. Each batch takes 28 days, and during that time, your coins cannot be withdrawn. Decide where you would like to receive your rewards and your initial deposit once the 28 days are over. You can also pay out your rewards directly in Bitcoin or other D assets. As the last step, copy your deposit address and send the amount of DeFi to this address that you'd like to stake. That's it. You've now mastered liquidity mining and staking. But there's more. Learn more about decentralized loans and assets in our last video.